What up, Keto fam? DJ Keto here, where I vlog myself cooking keto-friendly dishes, and today I'll be making some garden fresh kale chips. If that sounds good to you, give this video a thumbs up. But first, check out my mother-in-law harvest some kale from her garden. Alright, once you have your kale washed and dried as you see here, we're going to toss it in some oil. I'm going to use avocado oil today. And for seasoning, I'm going to use my wife, the Keto G. Follow her on Instagram. She made a ranch powder. While we're mixing all this together, you're going to preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees. I've got a lot of kale here. So we're going to do this into small batches because in the air fryer we want to make sure there's just one layer so it becomes really crispy. I'm not really making any measurements, just doing all this by eye. Give it a little toss, nice and fluff. Add some seasoning. You can change this up. You can just do salt and pepper if you like, or Trader Joe's has an elote flavor. That might be really good. This seems pretty well incorporated. I already have my Ninja air fryer heated up. Let's go ahead and toss it in. Gonna spread it out, and we will cook this for about 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes has gone by. Oh yeah, they're crispy. I'll just bunched up a little bit right here. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's tasty. Look at this. I don't know if you can hear this crunch. Ooh. That's way cheaper than buying it at the store. Doc, you want some? So we'll just repeat this process until you used all the kale you have. Okay, Keto fam, we're all done cooking. Just a couple of tips. I had to vary my time between 2 and 3 minutes, and you want to work in very small batches to ensure the crisp. And as I said before, go ahead and change up the seasoning and leave in the comments of what you come up with. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more food like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Now it's time to grub.